Ever logged into your bank account only to be met with a frustrating verification step? You know the drill, frantically searching for that darn security question answer you haven't thought about in years. Maybe you haven't even set one up. Well, if you find yourself stuck in Capital One's verification purgatory, fear not, fellow financier. Today's episode tackles exactly how to verify your Capital One account and get you back to your smooth financial sailing. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why verification exists in the first place. Think of it like your account's bouncer. This extra step ensures it's actually you trying to access your hard-earned cash, not some digital scoundrel with ill intentions. Capital One offers a few different verification methods, so let's explore which one might be the perfect fit for you. Method 1, the Knowledge Keeper. This is the classic method that pops into mind when we think of verification. You answer a pre-selected security question, proving you possess knowledge only the true account holder would know. It could be your childhood pet's name, your favorite vacation spot, or your mother's maiden name, although security experts advise against the latter these days. If you haven't set up your security questions yet, don't worry. Capital One's online portal or mobile app will guide you through the process. Just make sure to pick questions you'll remember down the road and answers that aren't easily guessable by someone who might know you casually. Method 2, the Code Crusader. This method involves receiving a one-time passcode, OTP, via text message or a voice call. The code acts like a temporary password, granting access only for that specific login attempt. It adds an extra layer of security because even if someone nabs your login information, they wouldn't have the code to complete the login. To enable text message or voice call verification, you'll need to update your account settings on Capital One's website or mobile app. Just make sure the phone number you provide is one you have reliable access to. Method 3, the Mobile Master. If you're a smartphone extraordinaire, this method might be your champion. Capital One offers mobile app verification, a feature that utilizes your phone as a secondary verification tool. When you attempt to log in from an unrecognized device, Capital One will send a push notification to your phone. Simply approve the notification on your phone, and voila! Access granted. Enabling mobile app verification is a breeze within the Capital One mobile app. Just navigate to your security settings and activate the feature. Remember, you'll need to have the app downloaded and set up on your phone for this method to work. Bonus round, the Government Guru. For situations where the other methods might not be feasible, Capital One also allows verification through a government-issued ID. This can be done either online by uploading a scan of your ID or in person at a Capital One branch. Remember, when it comes to verification, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Capital One employs these methods to protect your financial well-being. So, choose the method that best suits your needs and keep your account secure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.